that's why you all are here to see that. So without wasting any time, let's get in the video because these scarf tutorials are so easy and trendy to wear with the western outfits on your tops, on your jeans. It's look really trendy, it looks so good on the western outfits. So let's get in the video to see that.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. We'll go. turn us to thousands.
Okay guys, so this is all. I hope you all like the scarf tutorials. If you want more scarf tutorials, so please let me know in the comment section. Till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. My new updates will come to you first. So till then, bye bye.